Hello everyone. I'm about to do question 3 from the grade 10 mathematics paper 1 November question paper, which was written in the province of KwaZulu Natal. Okay, first question. I'm given a linear number pattern. Immediately when they tell me that I have a linear number pattern, the first thing that should click in my mind is that the difference is common. So the difference between these two terms, 33 minus 37, I should get a negative 4. 29 minus 33, it's a negative 4. And then 29 plus a negative 4, I should get the value of p. That means p should be 25. Alright, together, if I want to find the next term of the arithmetic sequence, I must just add the common difference. So I'll just say 29 plus the common difference, which is 4, and then I'll get 25 there. Second question, I'm asked to determine the nth term. There are only two things I need for me to find the nth term. Let me write this one in blue. The nth term, Tn, I only need the value of the first term and the common difference. Right, together, and always the time the nth term should be in terms of n. So the value of the first term is 37 and the difference is negative 4. This thing simply means that I have 37 minus 4n plus 4. So therefore my Tn, let me write it in black, 37 plus 4 is 41 minus 4n. That's how I find my nth term. Then I'm asked to determine the 15th term of the sequence. The 15th term of the sequence, that is T15. Guys, please avoid using this thing that you just calculated to find the term of a sequence altogether. Why am I saying so? I'm saying that because I could have made a mistake when answering 3.1.2. So if I made a mistake, that thing simply means that my answer is wrong. So I can't continue with the wrong answer. So just to be safe, please always work with what you are given. Okay, so I want to find T number 15. That means whenever I see n, I'll put a 15 there. All right, together, the value of a, the first term is 37, n is 15 minus 1. The difference is a negative 4. Just punch this thing on your calculator and see what you find. 37 plus 14 times a negative 4. I'll get a negative 19. That means T16 is a negative 19. Okay, which term of the sequence is the first to have a negative value? Okay, a negative value means that a negative value is a number which is less than 0. All right, together. So here I just need to say Tn is less than 0. I know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Even here, guys, it will be much easier if you use this one. All right, together. For me to use this one, it will be much easier, but please avoid using this thing, because you calculated it yourself, you could have made a mistake. Always use what you are given. The value of A is 37, n minus 1, and then I'll have 37 minus 4n plus 4 is less or equal to 0. Negative 4n is less or equal to, I'll take the 4 and the 37 to the other side, and then I'll have 41. Then n is any number greater than 41 over 4. What is 41 over 4? 41 divided by 4 is 10.25. Okay, so they wanted me to find the first number, which is negative. I'll simply find the first integer that comes after 10.25. I'll say, therefore, my n is the first integer that comes after 10.25 is t11. So t11 is the first negative term of the sequence. You can prove that by finding t11. By finding t10 and t11, you'll see that t10 will be positive, however t11 will be negative. Are we together? And then now let's move to 3.2. 3.2, I'm asked to consider a sequence. What kind of a sequence is this? Okay, I have negative 3, negative 6, and negative 9. I'm doing this deliberately. Guys. Why am I saying it's deliberate? Because if you check this type of a number pattern, the numerators, they form their own arithmetic sequence or linear number pattern, and the denominators, they have their own linear number pattern. Are we together? So for me to find the next two terms, if I treat these two things separately, like this, let's say numerate, let me write the numerators in red. I have a negative 6, a negative 3 rather, a negative 3, negative 6, and a negative 9. If I can check here, my difference is negative 3. So I'll have a negative 12 and a negative 15. So this will be the next two numerators that I'll have. Are we together? Negative 12 and negative 15. Are we together? And then the denominators, let me write it in blue. I have 5, 9, and 13. The difference this time around is 4. I'll have 17 and I'll have 21. So this would be 17 and 21. So these will be the next two terms of the number pattern. Are we together? Then now I'm asked to find the nth term. The nth term, my Tn should consist of the numerator and the denominator. Together. How so? My sequence is arithmetic at the numerator. Let me write it in red. I have a plus n minus 1d, and then at the denominator I also have a plus n minus 1d. These things are dividing, so I'll just do this. The a at the numerator is negative 3 n minus 1. The difference is still negative 3. And then at the denominator I have 5 n minus 1 and a 4. Let me continue writing here. Tn is equal to, I will have negative 3 minus 3n plus 3 all over 5 plus 4n minus 4. So this is simply negative 3n all over 4n plus 1. This is the value of the nth term. If I'm given this kind of a sequence, this guy, simply means that my Tn different color, green. My Tn negative 3n over 4n plus 1. This guy here will generate all the terms of this sequence. That's how you go about answering the number patterns, guys. I hope you learn. I hope you guys are learning and this is productive. Please stay tuned and stay for more. Dank.